Hi guys, my name is Derek Cooper. We will be building a network architecture design in the logical environment. The same design can be applied in the physical environment as well. We are going to be building three clients machine connected to a switch. Somebody will ask, what's the reason why we're not using a hub? Get this straight. A hub does not provide sophisticated control, wherein if computer A wants to communicate with computer B, a hub will send the communication of the data package to every client's machine connected on the network. So that's the reason we're using a switch. A switch it provides sophisticated control. For short, this is the design we will be designing in the logical environment. See, we have three clients machines connected to the switch. Let's begin to build the system. Firstly, these are our equipment in the logical environment. We have this router, we have the machines, we have the viewer cables, and that all of design equipment. But for now, we're going to highlight and click on the machine. Follow the mouse. These are our machines. There are multiple equipment. I will take the PC, which is the desktop. Click and insert. Take the laptop and take another laptop. So right now we have three clients devices. Look for our server. Come down here. These are router. We say server. Get it straight. Look here. Now you see the nearest indicator is router. Look here. This is a switch. Look here. This is a hub. So taking the switch instead, right? Taking the switch. The name appear in this box. As you click, this is a switch, right? Click on the switch. There are different type of switches. Click on the first switch. Take the first switch. You can take whatever switches of your choice. Yeah, it's optional. Take this switch. Alright. So we have set our stuff. What we need in readiness is the cable. We need to cable these wires to be able to connect to the client's machine. Come on the cable. There are a lot of cables. Console cables. We have the copper straight through cable. We have the copper crossover cable. We have the fiber cable. We have the foam line, the coaxial cable, SAR, DCE cable. There are a lot of cables here. For now, we are going to take the copper straight through cable. Click here. Come to fast Ethernet. Click on the fast Ethernet. Click on the switch. Yeah, we see the first port is fast Ethernet 0/1. To the same fast Ethernet 0/2. Fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet 0/3. These are the ports, port 1, port 2, and port 3. Right now we have designed our architecture. All is corresponding, all the clients machine are connecting. What we need to do, our next step is that we are going to configure this switch. In order for package to go on smoothly and safely, the switch got to be configured. For this video, we're only basing on switch configuration. Watch our next video for server and router configuration. Now we can see that all our wires are all connected. We send the device package right now. It will go through, but the switch got to be configured. So click on the switch. Click on the switch. come down. When we see LR, the command line, it should have its own command line. Come down here, press enter key, or enter key. Wow, press enter key, the switch, move the command line for the switch. So basically we are going to tap in enable. Basically we're going to tap in enable. Sorry for the disturbance. Enable, in short we say enable. Configure terminal, CONF space T for short. It did not work. CON, so spell the whole thing up and see. FIGUR E TERMIN. AL. So we'll spell the whole thing out and see how it will work. Configure terminal. So basically it worked, but we should also config T. But since it didn't work there, so we'll use configure terminal. Out of this configure terminal, we gotta give the server a name. Right now, what you see here is that the server only having, you see that's the switch rather, the switch only having is needs a switch, but instead it should carry a name. The switch gotta be named. Its name, the names are all optional. It left with you, the network administrator. So what we use a name, a switch name called Jai1. This is the name I usually use whenever I configure my stuff. I'll use Jai1, JAYAH1. Jai1 will be stems as, firstly we put there host in Gmail to get host namespace Jai1. So it's a PA where you can see here our switch has a name Jai1. After I give you a switch name, come to line console 0, LINECONSOLE space 0, line console 0. The next step, from there, the switch gotta have a password. You put a PASSWORD password. Indicate the password there. My password here I'm using the password public, PUBLIC. Enter. The password can get logged in. You get logged into the password. So we use this LOGIN, login. All work. These are the steps. And these steps, you gotta create a banner. We're trying to log into our switch to configure. There's be a banner there, like a welcome committee, a welcome service, something that will welcome you or reminding you that, for example, we tell you that only the administrator is allowed in here, only employee allowed in here. So certain welcome reminder, like come to, we are going to go, let's say a banner. Firstly we exit EXIT, we kill to the previous stage, we exit. We're going to do the banner wrap, which is BANNER, banner MOTD mode. Enter with a dollar sign, shift with a dollar sign. I'm sorry. The dollar sign. Trying to get a switch, a shift, settle. Dollar sign, shift, and dollar sign. You put in there only ADMR
STRATOR muscular musculars or employees employ employees are allowed in its year. Close it back with the dollar sign. Enter. It's an invalid.
What did it do? It didn't work. It did not work. Why didn't work? Why didn't work? Let's try again.
Didn't work. BANE bundle. MOTD more MOTD more ONL only AME and employee employees are allowed it work.
So you see, we place in the welcome remark or a memo. Only administrator and employees are allowed in here. This banner MOTD mode, you set it up. From there we press exit, 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 enter. Definitely it's open. What you see here, EXIT again, exit. You see here, this is our memo, Jaya Comedy. So all we do is that you see our this is our memo. Only AMI and employees are allowed. The memo was set. Definitely see it, only AMI and employee are allowed. Then the password was set. This is the password itself to log into the password. For example, what if an administrator missed the password? For example, instead of putting the referral password public, you put in come. See, you come. Definitely enter, you'll be wrong. But you put in the referral password is PUBLIC. Definitely it's open, allow you to come to the system. So the system is all set up. Please comment, make your suggestion, give me feedback so I can add to my knowledge and share. The saying that says in a quote from Davido Obio, we rise by lifting others. Please comment, subscribe to my channel for more educative video. My video is not only restricted to networking only. There are a lot of things we as youth got to understand, got to know. Let's try to push Mama Liberia on the map. No matter how the difficulties we go through, no matter how the challenges will be, we can and we will. Please subscribe. Our next class, we are going to be configuring the router and releasing DSCP, doing some static and dynamic routing. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe.